Hi guys, and welcome to today's tutorial on Microsoft Designer. Let's get going. So we're going to first of all put a prompt in here. Make a colorful advert for Instagram on the topic of AI. So straight away when we've generated that, we get a few examples here. So let's have a quick look. Okay, we'll click on the first one here. This is a nice purple globe. The second one is more of a blue sort of light effect, which is quite nice. And if you pick something like this one, for instance, I always like to start off with something like this. So basically, if you just customize the design, let's just open up our templates, and just on the right-hand side here, just click on these ideas and you get brand new ideas which are based on that one. So I like to have a look. That's quite a nice one. I like this one. Yeah, this is really cool, this ice. I'm going to take this one. So I didn't even end up with the girl, but I'm going to take this one, which is quite nice. Just checking the others. So let's just put a new text in there. Let's put in design with AI. Okay, that will be the base of the design today. So we'll use this cover for this Instagram post of this particular video. We'll come up with something first of all. So let's put in the Microsoft Designer logo, which I just downloaded beforehand. We can crop this image now. Okay, it's quite easy to crop it and move it around within the frame. And once we've got that centralized, that's good. It looks good. We can click on done, and then we can just scale that down. I'm going to move that to the bottom here and just align it with my design with AI, just so it goes off the bottom of the page. That looks pretty good. Okay, so what you can do here is, if you can see on the right hand side, there's quite a few different designs as well. I quite like that one. That one's quite nice. And I think what I'll do first of all is I'm just going to download this image. So let's just click on download, and you can see here PNG recommended. Just download it, say no thanks here, no problem. And then I can just have a quick look at these ones as well. They look quite nice, quite interesting. Yeah, nice. And a nice little MPEG there as you saw it glow up. So you can see all different ones here, how the design is made quite nicely. Okay, so let's just go backwards to our design now. And I'm going to bring an image across here. Let's bring this one across. This is one of myself that I wanted to put onto the image just to show that I'm the tutor today. And I can just move that image around. Let's just position it slightly there. That's great. And just scale that. And you see that little line that appears there. Look, yep, that's it. You can scale that exactly to the size of the one below. Okay, so that all looks pretty good now. I'm just going to highlight that. And now let's give that a lighting effect. So if you lighten that up nicely. Okay, that looks quite good as well. And you can see again, you've got all the different designs which you can pick and have a look how it works. And you can see how it floats in the design, how it moves, like if you want to save it with an MPEG. Okay, so let's just replace that image on the right now, the Microsoft Designer. I'm just going to go back to my media and bring in the image of myself again there, and just put that there. And I'll just leave that there for a second, and I'll just put the image of the Microsoft logo back in on the left. And just position that nicely. Let's just move that into the center. Okay, that's good. And then we'll just shift this central piece up, make that a bit smaller. And now let's select it all and just nudge that down to the middle. Okay, that looks pretty good. And now we'll go back to my image here. And I just want to crop that, move that a little bit further so I can crop that. Okay, that's done. Okay, that's fine. So let's just lighten that up again like we've done before. So we'll click on light. That's all warm and that's light. Okay, that looks pretty good. All right, I'm going to download that image again. Just simply download it. No, thank you. And got our image. Okay, perfect. And you can see there's lots of other designs as well. This is quite a good one, like hanging in the gallery painting. I quite like that as well. And if you see how it just jumps in when you click on it. And you can also have completely random ones like this kind of graffiti style one. And I love it because on the right hand side, it just gives you loads of different designs, whatever you fancy. Here's one. This is a cool one where it's like on a garage door or a mural. Looks pretty good. So let's just go back. Just going Zing back to the beginning. Okay, here's the design again. And let's just try importing another image here. I'm just going to click on that, and then let's just crop that, move it around a little bit. You can only scale within the realms of the border itself, but look, you can move that around quite easily. And that also looks pretty good. I quite like that too. Let's just stretch that down below as well to fill the area. And I'm just going to download that image as well. And you can download as many as you want. It seems to be very easy to do that. Let's just scroll down on the right, pick a few more designs, have a look at what they look like. you can see every time you move it, it's changing that centerpiece again. I like this one a lot. This builds up from the beginning. So you've got your black and white images and then it goes into full color. I pretty much like that. So let's just choose that one and just re-centralize that again and just nudge this down like we've done before. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Good stuff. Let's change the central text as well. You can change any typeface or any design you want. You can pick from different colors. Let's just change this one to a purple color. And I like that. It matches the Microsoft Designer. So let's just download that. I like that too. And I've already got my key image from before. So I'm just going to put that back on now. And this is the one I want to just use. I'm going to now take my logo and just pop that in here and just crop that. I'll take off the bottom piece where it says Entrepreneur Consultant. I just want the Chris Plant for this particular piece. So I'm just going to position that now nicely in the center. And let's just turn that slightly. We'll replace that as well now. Well, actually what we'll do, let's click on effects now. And we can come in here and we can just arrange the effects. And let's put the brightness right up. And that will change it to white so you can actually read the text now. And we'll just scale it into the right place and pop it into the corner there. That's great. So we've got Design with AI with Microsoft Designer by Chris Plant. So I like that. That's going to be good for our Instagram image today. Perfect. So let's just download that. And then here we go. Let's just load the image that we just saved and have a play. And you can see exactly how that goes. And there you go. You've just made your Instagram cover. And I'm going to use this one for promotion of this video. And the best thing about this is absolutely free. You've only got to be a subscriber to Microsoft 365. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks very much for watching the video. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content and tips. And join me on the journey to unlock the potential of AI. If you have any questions or feedback, then please leave them in the comment section below. I'll see you next time. All the very best. I'm Chris from the Voice of AI. Cheers and bye-bye now.